We're gonna buy some Copic markers at this art store. Here we got lots of gachapon, peeing animals. Which one? I want the mermaid, but I don't have any 100 yen, so I'm gonna have to get some, and then maybe I can get her, hopefully. Tons of Kit Kat flavors. More Kit Kat flavor. At least we know where to go if we want to buy Kit Kats as omiyage. It's probably sake flavored. And this cheesecake one, I just got that one in my Japan crate. I don't think I tried it yet. I can't remember. So a lot of these look familiar because I've gotten them in Japan crate. Too much stuff I want to buy. That's a lot of umaibo. I can't even eat what we've got in our room right now. I'm sure Zach is looking for the biru, but this is not biru. I guess this is sake. Yeah, sake. Lots of it too. Let's see. Corn snack for $2.98 or whiskey for like 500. Maybe the corn snack. I haven't seen any juice boxes. Oh, there it is. Juice box sake. There's one that comes in a cup, and then just plain old bottle. But you have to get one that's in a sippy cup. That's Zach's milk carton sake. Then we got a real milk carton sake up here. Because why not? We got a bunch of mixed beer and like soda or something. Going on and on forever. Cuckoo's trying to decide which one. I told him to get the Calpis one. He didn't agree. What'd you pick? Okay. Some boring ones. Not Calpis. Grape Ninjaman. More Kit Kat. And somebody posted they couldn't find Kit Kat. I don't see how that's even possible. Cookie likes these Thunder candies. They were good. It's just we have to eat all that before we leave. Zach needs to buy this one. It was made for him. What is it?
Chips.
Weird looking chips. Giant bags of yumminess. They got their own song. Not buying this one, but we are getting this Pepsi, which is a grape Pepsi. That should be interesting. What? We got some Jungle Trail mix. So these are all the drinks that Zach got from Don Quijote. Kind of weird mixed drink beers, I guess. We also got these from Don Quijote. This thing here is gum, but it has like a scary fortune in it. That's why I wanted it. I probably should have bought more, but I just bought one. These are Zach's. He loves the chocolate thunder. And these, because we've been on a bit of a sour kick, we got those. And this is grape Pepsi. So I've never seen grape Pepsi before. This is a cat toy. Kitties are gonna love it. And a sticker for my luggage that says Japan. When I get the little one out, because it won't stay on the big one. So that's what we got at Don Quijote, except of course, one more thing. I got me a Godzilla pajamas, so I'm gonna have to try those on and see what they look like. We found a random store, and it was a Godzilla store, and we got these. They're chopsticks, and they have a little Godzilla on them. Those are cookies. And the bag that came with it. I didn't find Copic markers yet. I'm gonna have to do some research. They didn't have them at the art store that I went to, but they did have Posca, and they had like these pastel colors that I've never seen. And then I think these are either shiny or metallic ones, so that's kind of cool. And then these ones are just the regular colors, because the ones I have are almost out, so get some more. And then I got white and black, because I'm always running out of white and black. But no Copic markers. They had another brand that I'd never heard of. I wish I wrote the name down so I could research it and find out more about it, but I didn't, so oops. Pookie got this Godzilla from a gachapon at the Godzilla store. He's pretty cool. And we haven't seen him anywhere else, so he might be a hard to find gachapon. We're still looking for Gundam. They're always out except for the chibi versions, and we don't want the chibi versions. We want the cool versions. Anyway, that's what we got. And that's the first half of our day was in Shibuya and a little bit in Shinjuku. And we're going to rest for a little bit and go on a second adventure today. Possibly back to Shibuya. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Bye-bye.